Hello teachers and welcome back. It's James. Happy New Year. Today I'm going to show you how to teach guess who to little Japanese children. To say guess who in Japanese is "Dare da to omoimasu ka?" or "Dare deshou ka?" Alright? If you have a Japanese assistant, that's great. If you don't, well, now you know how to say it. Alright? So if you're doing this alone at an Eikaiwa, and if you don't have any Japanese support, you're going to have to explain what guess what means to your little Japanese students. Alright, so I have a bunch of animal silhouettes, and these are made of plastic. You can make them yourself, but I bought these. I'm going to zoom up the camera. I have 11 animal silhouettes, and they're very colorful. I have lion, elephant, cow, rabbit, monkey, frog, cat, dog, fish, whale, and giraffe. You don't need to know how to say these in Japanese, but it's a good idea. Assuming that your students don't know any English except for monkey, they'll probably say monkey, or elephant, they'll say elefanto, or kato, or lion is lion. Some of these animals are in katakana English. Your job as the English teacher is to correct their pronunciation. Let's assume that your students don't know the names of these animals in English. Maybe they've seen it on TV. Maybe they're learning English elsewhere or from TV. Maybe they know these names, but they're not sure how to say them in English. Now, this is not the table that I would use for little children, but I'm using it now. All right? So, this is how I would teach little students. Today, we are going to learn the question, guess who? Guess who? 意味は誰だと思いますか? 誰でしょうか? Alright, just go right into it. Then, don't show these animals yet. This is how I would teach this lesson. Hey everybody, look at James. Today, we are going to learn the question, guess who? Guess who? 意味は誰だと思いますか? 誰でしょうか? Alright, you don't need to elaborate more than that. If you have a Japanese assistant, that is awesome. But if you're working alone, like me, it's good to know. Alright? Alright, so I piled these randomly, but hopefully I have the easy ones on top and the more difficult ones on the bottom. Okay, everybody look at James, okay? Guess who? 誰だと思いますか? Some kid will say, sakana. Okay, in English, please. It's a fish. Don't allow them to say just fish, because somewhere down the line, they need to know it is a fish or it's a fish. Alright? That's my opinion. So, it's a fish. It's a fish. Okay? Hopefully they repeat. If you have shy students, they may not want to repeat. Okay? You're just inputting this information into their heads. Okay? It takes repetition. Alright, good. Alright. And guess who? Guess who? Oh, you know. This kid says dogu in katakana English. Ah, it's a dog. It's a dog. Everybody, say it with me. It's a dog. And later, we'll mimic the sounds. Okay, are you ready for the next one? Guess who? Guess who? Oh, this kid says, kato. Okay, in English, please. It's a cat. It's a cat. Anytime you want to mimic the sound of these animals, you can. Meow. Meow. Okay, in Japanese, it'll be meow, meow. It's different. Okay, guess who? Guess who? Oh no, okay. This kid says, mo. Okay, that's what a cow says in Japanese. It's a cow. It's a cow. Okay, we'll get to the sounds after. Alright, guess who? Guess who? Oh, another kid said it in katakana English. Rabbito. Okay. In English, please. It's a rabbit. It's a rabbit. Okay. Anytime you want them to repeat after you, just say, everybody say, it's a rabbit. Okay. All right. Guess who? Guess who? And this kid says, Kairu. Okay. In English, please. It's a frog. It's a frog. All right. All right. Guess who? Guess who? This kid says, elephanto. Okay. In English, please. It's an elephant. It's an elephant. All right. Guess who? Guess who? This kid says, saru in Japanese. That's what it is. And this kid says, monkey. Okay. In English, please. It's a monkey. It's a monkey. All right. Guess who? Guess who? That kid says, kujira, which is in Japanese. In English, please. It's a whale. It's a whale. All right. Guess who? Guess who? This kid and this kid, they all say lion, which is in katakana English. English, please. Say it in English. It's a lion. It's a lion. Try to enunciate the sounds so they can see where your tongue is going. Okay? It's a lion. Okay? And guess who? Guess who? And that kid says, kidding. Well, that's in Japanese, but say it in English. In English, please. It's a giraffe. It's a giraffe. All right? All right. Good job, everybody. Okay? Always be positive. Okay? Show them that you're having fun. The kids read off of the teacher. Okay? And you'll be successful. Trust me. Now that you've gone over the animals with your students, so now you're going to teach them animal sounds. So I'll just take this one. What sound does a cow make? Cow no oto wa nani desu ka? They'll all say mo. Okay, in English, 英語で moo. Moo. All right. What sound does a cat make? And they'll all say meow, 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 meow. Okay. In English, it's meow, meow. They'll laugh. Okay. What sound does a dog make? They'll all say one, 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 one. In English, it's woof, 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 woof. They'll laugh. Okay. Now, what sound does a fish make? This is a hard one. They'll all give a puzzled face. So use your imagination. No sound in water. So just go this. No sound. Okay? Just use your imagination. Okay? What sound does a monkey make? Come on. They'll laugh, okay? I'm laughing because I'm doing it in front of you guys. What sound does an elephant make? Pretty good, eh? Okay. What sound does a frog make? They'll say gero gero. That's in Japanese. In English, it's ribbit, 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 ribbit. Okay. What sound does a rabbit make? This one's a tough one. I'm not sure, but I'll do the gesture. Hamster? No. A rabbit. Okay? Just use your imagination. What sound does a whale make? This one's a tough one. Okay, use the blowhole. Sorry, guys. What sound does a lion make? They'll say roar. Good. In English, roar. Be ferocious. Roar. Go right at them. Go crazy. And what sound does a giraffe make? This one's a tough one. I'm just going to do the gesture. Stretch my neck. Okay? I really don't know. Okay? They'll laugh. Alright, so now that you've gone over animal sounds, and now it's time to test them. Now that you've gone over the names and the animal sounds, and now it's time to test them. So there are different ways you can do it. You can say, what animal makes the sound? Okay? What animal? They should know the word animal. Okay? Animal in Japanese is dobutsu. What animal makes the sound? Okay? Say it in English, okay? Meow. Meow. The smart kids might say, cat. Very good. It's a cat. Say it with me, everybody. It's a cat. Say no. That means 1, 2, 3. It's a cat. Say no. Very good. Notice that I praise them every time. All right. Okay. What animal makes this sound? Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Okay, I heard that kid say it in Japanese. Does anyone know? Frog. Very good. That kid said frog. Excellent. It's a frog. Okay, you can show the animal silhouette. It's a frog. Let's say it together, everybody. Say no. It's a frog. Say no. Excellent. Okay. Do this for each animal. Do this every week for the whole month, or as long as you want. Give them a test. Give them a reward at the very end of each lesson or at the end of the month. Alright, so this is how I would teach Guess Who to little Japanese children. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video lesson helpful, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, bye everyone!